how's it going? Been a while since I've done any electric bike style videos. I'm back on it now. I've got a little project that I'm going to look at now. So one of my pals dropped me a message the other day just saying that he's got a little something for me that he thinks I could turn into something cool. No pressure or anything. So what we're going to do is drive over to his now, have a look what he's got, maybe bounce around some ideas. You know, let's see how we get on.
Alright, fella.
How you doing? How's it going, man?
Yeah.
Liking the no motor?
Yeah.
Good to see you,
Little
Dad.
treat. A little treat to myself. Yeah.
So talking about treats, I'm here for another little treat you've got.
Yes, mate. I have. I've got a bit of I've got like an old manky bike in the garden. And I was just wondering if it could be any good to yourself, or if you can make it into something special. Make see what we can do with it. I know you like your toys and gadgets and building stuff.
My tinkering.
You're tinkering. I see you
man.
bought the truck for it.
So go in the back and see what I can do, yeah?
Let's have a look then. Yeah. Excuse the garden, as you can see. New fence.
Work in progress, yeah?
Yes, we've got an extension going on and everything, so.
That's never your bike, is it? You never
No, it was a pal of mine, his lad, he didn't want it anymore, and I know you like playing with bikes, so.
Oh, that's almost like a cartoon moment there.
Yeah, that's a good.
So what have you got in mind? Do you want to turn it into like...
Can it be made into electric?
Yes. That's
Really?
what I'm here, yeah. Leave it with me and
Big enough for me to sit on it?
we'll try. You're up.
It's not going to happen, is it?
Yeah, let's throw it on the back of the track and we'll go from there, yeah?
Wicked, man.
Sweet. Got your priorities right, got a beer in your hand.
Well, it's Sunday and I've just gone to church. So it's
Just been to church.
Well, church is boxing, isn't it?
Oh, okay.
Well, my church is boxing.
I'll let you do the heavy lifting. You just finish yourself.
No! I'm going to go over here and cry for a bit.
Right. Okay, Matt.
Yeah.
Leave it with me.
Sweet, man.
Yeah? So we've just picked up the bike. It's pretty much what I thought it would be. It's a small kid's bike with big chunky tyres. It's called a Sonic, what are they called? Sonic Bulk or something like that. It's a cool little bike actually. It's got 20-inch wheels with that 20-inch by 4-inch. The only issue I've got is the bike frame is small, and Clint's a big lad. He's like 6 foot, 6'1" or something like that. So we've got to try and work around that issue. I've got a couple of ideas in my head what I think I can do with it. Definitely going with the Super73 style look. So we're not building a chopper this time, but I do want to try and make it look like a motorbike, like we do. But I'm just super excited that we're starting to build again. But as always, give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you can. There's like a little link down the bottom. It doesn't cost you anything to subscribe. It just means that when I post videos, you'll be able to watch them. So as always guys, thanks for watching, wish me luck, and I'll catch you in the next one.